Our new solid recovered fuel facility works based on a new model that is implemented for the first time in the region. The facility produces high-quality value, low moisture and chlorine content alternative solid fuel. It follows a purely commercial model, which is fully independent of gate fees.
The solid recovered fuel facility will produce high-quality alternative fuel, which will be injected into kilns at cement factories. The facility was developed after 2 years of pilot tests. Hundreds of tons were produced for trial firing, and tens of tests were conducted in different international laboratories to verify viability and quality standards.